Hari ini di Mob House Punboxing, we have a machine on the go, worth its weight in gold. So light it is like helium, lightweight but still feels premium. It is from Malaysia, but sure will amaze ya. If a laptop is what you seek, you know this gon' be sleek. Kita satu Malaysia, because Malaysia boleh. In order to weather our ever-changing political climate, it is important for you to stay portable and lightweight. This laptop comes in not 1, not 2, but 14 different colors, like the number of stripes on our Jalo Gemilang. This one is industrial grey, very hardcore. It is meant for writers who move from town to town, salesmen that run around, and your wife who don't want to be found. That sounds amazing, bro. If you never played before camera, let Ashinko teach you lah. This is not plastic. It is magnesium alloy, It makes it so lightweight, it weighs only 1.04 kilograms. Now everywhere also got sickness. You should just stay at home and play with your pina colada and getting caught in the rain. This laptop will improve your lifestyle, give you a happy wife pal. With a 14-inch IPS panel that is very worthwhile. 100% sRGB will make any designer smile. Nice. This laptop specs is also no slouch. It comes with a 10th Gen i5 10210U processor, paired with NVIDIA MX 250 graphics card, so power. 8GB 2666 MHz RAM that is replaceable. Default 512GB PCIe SSD, customizable. There's 2 slots. You can go up to PCIe Gen 3 X4. They got Intel, Samsung, Crucial. Which brand you like? I don't have. You tell me lah! Since now that we've made a solid connection, let me tell you about the network specs. We got 1 GBA internet. Wi-Fi 6 that's better than 6. So fast you stream prawn, get pink eye. Bluetooth BT5, so you can Wi-Fi. Go buy! As for all the hoes, I'll put them on display, so you can man-tai. People say that good things never last because 歡樂嘅時光過得特別快，又係時間講拜拜。But with the 56 watt-hour battery and such efficient components, you should be able to get up to 13 hours of operation from this laptop. 十生 what ah? Hey, you think your mud air very 勁咩? Your air got oxygen, nitrogen, CO2 and other stuff. My one pure helium, so light can fly up to the sky. Future so bright, make your mother cry because you didn't buy one for her. The Commandos Helium 4, a lifestyle laptop priced at 3199 with no backlit and 3299 with backlit keyboard. It is very nice and very light, and it will make you happy like kopi ikat tepi. You can bring it everywhere with you. Super cheap, right? Very powerful, so you can bring around and play with yourself. I know you don't have girlfriend one lah. If you're watching this video, confirm don't have